Hi guys, I've recently started doing a electrical and electronic engineering course, and it's quite maths heavy, as anyone would know if they've done that sort of course or work with anything like that. So I'm doing fractions now, addition of fractions. So let's just run through something quick. Okay, so let's just say we've got 1/2 plus 1/2. Now it's really easy. Everyone knows that's one whole number, obviously. But you don't just go 1 plus 1, because that would make it 2. And then on the bottom, you could go 2 plus 2, which is 4. Now you've got 2/4, which is half. So that's not right. Obviously, the answer is 1. So what you do when the denominator is the same, you keep the denominator the same because it's a common denominator. And then you add the top 2 up. So that would make 2 over 2, which is the same as 1 over 1, which is the same as 1. Obviously. Okay, but let's talk about when you do different denominators there. So let's keep it simple with the same theme. Let's do 4/8, which is obviously half, plus 1/2. So half and half. It's obviously the answer is 1 again. So you've got 4. If you just added it up, it wouldn't be right. The answer would be some weird fraction. So let's just break it down. What we have to do, we have to find out the common denominator of these two, which obviously 8 goes into 8 once, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So the common denominator is 8 there. So to add these up now, we've got 4 there. So what we have to do now is go, how many times is that going to that? Times it by the numerator there. So that's obviously 1. So it's 1 times 4, because 8 goes into 8 once. And then 2 goes into 8 4 times. So it's 4 times 1 there. So it's plus 4. 4 and 4 equals 8. 8 over 8 equals 1 over 1, which equals 1. Obviously, again. Okay, and let's do one more here. Let's just do one with a subtraction in it. Okay, so let's start with so let's do 3/4 plus 1/6 minus 5/12. It seems complicated, but it isn't. Okay, so now we know that these three numbers on the bottom look quite like they're going to 12. So obviously the common denominator is 12. So 12 goes into 12 once. 12 goes into 6 goes into 12 twice, and that's 4 goes into 12 3 times. So we've got 3 times 3, because 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 6 goes into 12 twice, so it's 2 times 1, which is obviously 2. And then we've got the 12 goes into 12 once. So that's 1 times 5, which is 5. So the answer is, don't forget the BODMAS here as well. Don't forget BODMAS as division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So addition's first. 9 plus 2 is 11, and then 11 minus 5 is obviously 6. So we go 6 twelfths, which we can break that down now to be 6 twelfths, which is obviously 1/2. Right, okay guys, that's just a quick look at fractions, addition and a bit of subtraction there. I'm just doing a bit more subtraction for the next part. I'm just going to remind myself on the multiplication and division of fractions now. So this is actually easier than addition and subtraction in my view. So we've got, let's just say we've got 4. So let's start again. So let's just say we've got 4. So 4/8 times 3/6. Now this is really easy. It's just 4 times 3, which is 12, and then 8 times 6, which is, oh god, that's a test, which is 48. So 48 there. 48, and as you can see, that's going to be 12 48ths, which obviously you can break that down to be keep half in it, so that's 6, half that one, and half that one, which is 24, 6 24s, and that's obviously break that down again. Obviously that's 4 times that, so that would be 1 1/4. That's right, 1 6 6, yeah, 1/4. So that's multiplication, which is really easy. It just times along each other. It's really easy. It really is quite straightforward with multiplication. Division is let's just do 4/8 again for the same sake, divided by 3/6. Now this is the trick with this one, which works. All you do is change. So let's try it again. 4/8. Let's just change that to a time sign, but then let's swap these two the other way around. So that's 6 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and then that would be 4/8 divided by 3/6. So that would be the answer. So it would be 4 times 6, 24, and then 8 times 3, which is 24. And so the answer would be 1/1, which is the same as 1. Which, if you look what we're trying to do, we're trying to divide a half by a half there. And if you divide a half by a half, because that's half and that's half, that's half and that's half, divide a half by a half, and the answer is 1. Okay guys, that's a quick look at addition, a little bit of subtraction. I think I'm going to come back with a video more on subtraction. You can see that multiplication and division are really easy, really nice little trick there. But the subtraction I haven't done yet. I've done a little bit on this part there, but I haven't gone through fully, like for instance that minus that. I haven't done that one yet, so I believe it's the same sort of scenario, but I'll probably come back with another video on that soon. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Oh, another thing, if anyone knows any better ways, or if I did something wrong, please let me know. I am a novice at this, so it'd be appreciated if anyone's got any comments that are helpful, or anything like that. Okay, thanks for watching.